In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn a dry voice recording into a full song. We're going to keep this simple and practical. If you already have a clean recording of your voice, you're only a few steps away from building a complete track around it. The key idea here is that you're starting with a dry vocal, which means a voice recording without heavy effects like reverb, delay, or extra processing. That gives the system a clear foundation to work with and usually leads to more natural, flexible results. To begin, upload a dry audio recording of your voice. Before you do that, make sure the recording is clear, easy to hear, and doesn't have too much background noise. Even if it's not studio perfect, a clean vocal will usually help the final song sound more polished. Once the file is uploaded, take a moment to confirm that the correct track has loaded and that your voice is coming through properly. This first part matters because the rest of the song will be built from what you provide here. Next, choose the extend option on the uploaded track. This is the feature that takes your original vocal idea and develops it further into a more complete musical piece. When you select extend, you're basically telling the tool to continue from your vocal input and shape it into something bigger. If the interface gives you a preview of the track before extending it, it can be helpful to quickly review it so you know you're working from the right starting point. The goal here is to use your uploaded voice as the anchor for the full production. After that, enter your genre styles and generate your full song. This is where you guide the overall sound and mood. Be specific with the style you want because your genre choices will influence the instrumentation, rhythm, energy, and emotional feel of the final result. For example, your style input can help the system understand whether you want something more pop, cinematic, electronic, acoustic, or upbeat. Once your genre styles are entered, start the generation process and give it a moment to build the complete track around your voice. When the song is finished,